Hey folks, this is a 2021 Subaru Forester. Someone asked about a video about an oil catch can I installed, and I showed how much oil came out of this catch can after 4,000 miles. You can find that video on my channel. They asked if I had an install video. Well, I don't, so I'm going to make a quick one here using my phone, so bear with me. Here is the stock positive crankcase ventilation system hose that's on the back side of this intake here, and it goes about like this in where these two hoses go. I'm going to come over to this side. So again, this goes in like this. This upper part here is that one. So there's a clamp there. And this hose, if we trace it around, this upper hose goes all the way over to this port by the dipstick, the W1. This lower connection is about 6 inches down in there. You can see that bolt head there. It's about the same level, but it's over here to the right a little bit down in there. And this hose comes up around and it plugs into this port where it says add ADD. And then I put some paper towels and threw this in my glove box in case I need to revert it back. Coming over here, that's a 12 millimeter hex socket, Allen socket. It's for lifting the engine, I guess. So you're going to back that bolt out, install the bracket, and then you can kind of see how this wire harness is kind of tight here. Again, there's a port to drain here, but you really can't use it, so I used that syringe. And maybe I'll link to that syringe that I bought on Amazon. You can unscrew this dipstick and extract the oil out. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And then the beauty cover here, I hate these things. You know, it snaps back on and nothing's in the way. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward, and I think they have instructions on how to install it too. Thank you. Bye.